Shall we guys? Thank you for joining. It's your Nangga Ladies at One Global Agency and happy Tuesday everyone. Welcome to my broad everybody. Ano ating mga pag-uusapan ngayon? Kumusta kayo everyone? Not everyone who make mistake is a bad person, you know. We all fall short at times. But when someone repeatedly lies, manipulate, hurt others, or makes advantage of people without accountability, parang something like that. It's point to a much deeper character issue. Parang doon mo makikita, hindi lang sa pagsasalita ng isang tao mo makikita kung bad person ba siya o hindi. Pag paulit-ulit niya nang ginagawa yung manipulate ng isang tao or ng ibang tao at nagiging panakit na din kung paano niya ginagawa yung mga pang-araw-araw niya na dahilan or ginagawa, yun talaga masasabi na natin na sa puntong yon, deeper na yung character issue niya. Some common red flags include refusing to admit mistake. Yun talaga eh. Hindi mo ma-admit na isa ka na sa taong yon. Always blaming others. Yun. Being kind only when there's something to gain. May kilala ba kayong ganyan? Ignoring other people's boundaries kasi wala na silang pakialam kung ano man ang masabi nila, di ba? Taking satisfaction in everyone else's pain or misfortune, di ba? Wala silang pakialam kung masaktan ka o hindi. Basta ang importante, nagawa nila to, nasabi na nito, dahil doon sila komportable. A person's true character isn't measured by what they say, like what I said earlier. It's revealed by the choices they make over and over again. Words can be convincing. Alam mo yun? Madali magsalita, makukonvince mo ang kung sino man through your sweet word. But consistent action tell the real story. Kasi mapapansin niya ng iba at mapagtatanto ng karamihan kung anong klaseng tao ka based sa everyday mo na galaw, na gawain, at pinapakita sa tao. Yung mga tao ba kayong kilalang gano'n? Kasi normally sa paligid natin, nandiyan lang yun sila. Don't you ever wish you were someone else? You were meant to be the way you are exactly. Don't you ever say you don't like the way you are. When you learn to love yourself, hinahanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pag-ibig ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita.